In this video, I will show you how to install Microsoft SQL Server and SQL Server Management Studio on Windows 10. You can choose between the basic, custom, and download media installation options when installing Microsoft SQL Server. The best option for you will depend on your needs and requirements. If you are not sure which option to choose, you can start with the basic option and then upgrade to the custom option if you need more features. Once SQL Server is installed, go to the SQL Server Management Studio download page. Make sure that your computer meets the system requirements for SQL Server and the SQL Server Management Studio. Once the SQL Server Management Studio is installed, you can connect to your SQL Server instance and start working with databases. I hope this helps. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.